Give it a second here. You'll see the cluster kick on and then she'll start. Alright guys, so before we get to the harness installation, the BCM that we're looking for is this black box right here, if you can see it. So go ahead and take the two looms that you disconnected from the dash panel and just tuck it over this little brace here to get them out of the way. There's a 10mm bolt right here that we need to remove, and once that's out, this BCM will pull right back out of you. Once you guys have it out and accessible, the harness is pretty self-explanatory. It is 100% plug and play, so I'm gonna go grab my harness real quick and show you where it connects, but basically we're just integrating into the factory connectors here, as well as the OBD2. Pull the harness out, it's gonna look like a mess, but it's all plug and play at the BCM, and I'll show you that here in a second. So it all just kind of plugs right on in, and then we have a green loop here. If you guys have a push button start, this stays. If you have a key start, just snip that loop and then isolate both ends. So let's run to the car and plug that boy in. So you're just gonna unplug these connectors here, and then you're gonna plug in the mating side to our harness, and then plug our female side back into your BCM. So let me do that real quick and then I'll show you the rest of it. Alright, so we have all of our T-harnesses plugged in. The last one that goes in is this OBD2, so plug the factory into the black part. The white one will pop back into the dash where you removed the factory one from. And then, like I said, the loop stays for the push button start vehicles. The key start vehicles, you just snip that in half, and as you can see, I have my tape here. This is a key start, so we're going to insulate both ends. So let me get the BCM situated and then we'll do the module programming. Once you guys have the harness fully installed, grab the other end of the harness that has the couple connectors that go into the module. Go ahead and plug the red one in. There's a button on the module here. Push and hold it. Insert the blue connector, and you're going to see the light turn orange. There it goes. Let go of the button. It's going to turn solid red. So we're going to turn our ignition on, and we're waiting for that light to go solid green like it is and off. And we're done. We had to bring the Rogue around back because it started raining, so let me give you a demo of this thing. So we're going to hit the lock button 3 times here. And give it a second here. You'll see the cluster kick on and then she'll start. There we go. Just go ahead and hit the unlock button. You can enter the vehicle. And as you can see, I have it still blowing apart, so I encourage you guys to test everything out before you button it back up. So basically what you're going to do is just go ahead and insert the key, turn it to the on position, and now when you push the brake pedal, well, you can't see it start, and we can drive away. So your car never turns off. So if I put it in reverse, our camera's there.